Hi guys, so I'm back. Yeah, my memory card, I don't know, I don't know what's going on with it. It just, after 15 minutes, it just stops recording. So tomorrow I'm gonna go and get me another one. So just like the Memories of the Sea, this one is the Down by the Sea. So if you haven't seen the previous one before that, this one, I recommend you go and watch that one, because I'm just gonna go really fast through this one because it's basically the same thing, except the papers are different, and but it's basically, it has the same elements. So for this one I used this image for the front, and it's the Down by the Sea, and it has the beautiful seahorse, and I use glossy accents, and then on here I just use my German glitter glass or glass glitter. But for the spine and everything, everything is the same. And instead of putting the bow in the center, I put it in the corner here. So let's get right into it. And like I said, I'll be calling this one Down by the Sea. And they're going to be in the same listing. I'm just going to use... Actually, no. I'll just put them in two separate listings. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Okay, so same as the other one, glassine bag with the little rook card here, and note from the bookmaker, and a little trim down at the bottom right here. Excuse me. And then see, the papers are different except for the background pages. Background pages are the same. Nice little image here. So I'm just going to fly by a little tab there. Here we have this pretty little image. And everything has been stitched with blue thread and backed onto coffee dyed paper. Little banner that serves as a tuck spot. And this is a flip. The back says beach mail. Onion skin paper. Pretty dictionary kind of paper. A postcard. And I'll be adding seam binding to these. I just forgot, but I'll be adding the seam binding to those. Again, just like the other one, the little booklet with all these little pages with the swing tab here. And then I left it open for, you know, extra space. And then here you have a booklet, and I have a playing card with a lighthouse, and then you have your coffee dyed paper, and then here you have a playing card, or vintage playing card I should say, with a rose. And I just put that right in here, and look at the back, how gorgeous is that? Beautiful. Edith Holden, more trim. Here's a pocket. And like I said for the other one, I guess I printed a couple of these with the typing on this upside down, but you can add some paper, you know, rip it and add it, glue it, you know. Sorry. And there you go, another tuck spot. And I always add extra ephemera, so if you just want to get rid of those, you can, because I'll be sending you new tags anyway. This is from Seneca. I'll be sure to link this kit down below. It's her graph paper. So pretty. And these are the little envelopes. They have nothing in it, but you can add a little note in there, something that you don't want nobody to see. And then it's so pretty. So I just put it up here with a little clip. It's so hard because I have the tripod right in front of me. I'll get it later. And then these envelopes come with the kit, and they're nice and big, so I like them. I used that for the middle of my signature this time. This is another little envelope, and yeah, I added the playing cards that you get, a sheet of playing cards in the kit. I love it. So I just put that in there. Look at the images on that. Nice. This is perfect if you're going on vacation. And I made it one signature because, you know, we're already in August. So you can journal for the remainder of your summer, or if you're going on a vacation, a cruise, somewhere where it's warm and you just want to document it, you know, it's perfect for it. You're going to the beach and you just want to write, take it. It's perfect size to do that. Some trim here with a pocket. Look at how cute with the birds. It's so cute. Edith Holden. Here, just like the other one, I have a magnetized little, almost looks like a little wallet, don't it? But it has extra papers in here for, you know, extra notes. And then you can journal there as well, and it's magnetized. And I just keep it in here. And again, catching waves. Another swing tab here with more papers. Excuse me. And then you just close it up. Little ticket. And cheesecloth. Onion skin paper and another little tuck. Postcard. So pretty, this right here. And another tag with some trim there, and these cute mason jars. And then this is the back, and I just added a library pocket with another cute mason jar. And in here I have another playing card, little vintage playing card. Trim there, and that is that one. So this one is going to be called Down by the Sea, and that is it, guys. Now I am off to do a custom journal, and I hope you guys like these. So these are listed in my shop, and these are going to be the last of the summer journals, and after the custom order, then I am going to be moving on to, I don't know, thinking about fall now. So Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.